For your ball squat setup, you want to make sure you place your stability ball right at the natural curve of your back, not high up by your shoulders and not down low by your butt, at your natural curve. From there, grab your dumbbells, place them right on your shoulders. Go ahead and get into your squat stance, the stance that is comfortable for you on your hips and on your knees. Once in that stance, you will then lower into your squat as low as you can go comfortably, making sure to engage those glutes and quads as you push through your heels up to standing. On this rise, you will also use that momentum to press the dumbbells into the air, ensuring that your hands, your arms, your biceps are close to your ears. From there, as you lower your hands down, you will also begin to lower into your squat position. Try to make this as seamless and as smooth as possible.